The slender lories. The slender lories is a small nocturnal primate found only in the tropical rainforests of southern India and Sri Lanka. They are able to live in wet and dry forests, as well as lowland and highland forests. They prefer thick, thorny vegetation, wherein they can easily escape predators and find the large assortment of insects that is a mainstay of their diet. The slender lories is about the size of a chipmunk with long, pencil-thin arms and legs. It is between 15 to 25 centimeters long and has a small tail. It weighs about 300 grams. The slender loris's round head is dominated by two large, closely set, saucer-like brown eyes. They flank a long nose which ends in a heart-shaped knob. The eyes are surrounded by dark brown to black circles of fur, while the bridge of the nose is white. It has a small, narrow lower jaw. The ears are large and round. Its coat is light red-brown or grey-brown on its back and dirty white on its chest and belly. The slender loris is an arboreal animal and spends most of its life in trees. Their movements are slow and precise. They like to travel along the top of branches. For the most part, they hunt alone or in pairs at night, although they will come together and share a food supply. They live alone or with a mate and an infant. They will sleep with up to 7 other lorises in a hollow tree or sitting up in the angles of branches. They are very social at dusk and dawn, playing, wrestling, and grooming each other. The slender loris is for the most part insectivorous. This means they eat insects, but they will also eat slugs, young leaves, flowers, shoots, and occasionally eggs and nestlings. They can stretch and twist their long arms and legs through the branches without altering their prey. The slender loris eats a lot of noxious and bad-smelling insects. They particularly like the acacia ant, whose bite can numb a human arm. They also like toxic beetles and roaches. It is not clear how many slender lorises survive in the wild. Because of their small size and nocturnal habits, it has been difficult to do an accurate count. Until recently, not much attention has been paid to the plight of the slender loris. But new interest has been shown in their species and studies are underway.